Janmabhoomi means the Odisha. This is my birthplace. First of all, introduction. India has the largest number of births, that is 27 million. Maternal death estimated about 117,000 per year in the world. It is also one the paper study. There are so many reasons about the cultural taboo, about this wrong notion, wrong about the maternal rate in India, including non-availability of obstetrician and the skilled birth attendant in the rural area. While in the maternal and child mortality are the decline, the pace of decline in India has not been sufficient to attain the Millennium MDG, that is the 4 and 5, that is the child and the maternal mortality. The target for MDG 5 is expected to reduce the maternal mortality ratio by 3 quarters between 1990 and 2015 to 109 per 1 lakh birth. In my state, there are 30 districts are there under the northern, southern and the central. And each consists of the 10, and its administrative head is the RDC, Police Headquarters General of the Police. And it is the data, that is the maternal mortality along with 95% considered in interval, India and the state 2007 to 2009. It is the MMR data, and it is represented to Odisha state in the year 2007 and 9. Why this study? The need of the study is to advise about the effective implementation of the maternal component of the NRHM. As we know, the framework is good for every program, for every implementation of every program or every project. The framework is good, but practically it is not implemented. So that is the need of the my study, to advise about the effective implementation of the maternal component of the NRHM. By studying the preventable factors for each major causes the maternal death, the maternal death can be a great extent. The relative contribution to antenatal, natal and the postnatal care is difficult to assess. And also about the immunization, iron prophylaxis, education and preparation to transport and safe delivery are elements which may take a difference. And in my state also, there are some wrong beliefs. The people used to say, why you have to go to the hospital? You have to in my home. Our home is good. This type of mentality still existing in 2014 in this year. And major inadequate reporting of the maternal death, causes of the death is an obstacle for proper monitoring of the maternal death. No data is there to proper recording of the maternal death. And choice of Odisha as a study of area. Though Odisha is empowered action group and one among the 18 high focus states of NRHM program. NRHM implemented in 18 states, and Odisha is one of the high focus states in the NRHM program. And has made significant investment under NRHM for maternal and child health, including the Janani Sishu Suraksha Yojana and the JSSY. Implemented HIMS with the help of National Health Research Center, NHSRC, New Delhi, to improve the maternal health after launching the program of NRHM. So many funds are there for betterment of the maternal health under the umbrella of the NRHM. And a study by Murthy and Bura found that most medical deaths occur due to perinatal and the postnatal period in my state. This study already it is done. Further, the death cases belong to high risk group, high parity, social disadvantagement, mothers not receiving the prenatal care. There is evidence of lack of transport facility, poor referral and inadequate preparedness at the referral centers. Although the number of women receiving institutional deliveries have been increased over the year from 36.8% in 2004-5 to 71% in 2008-9, on total coverage, it is still a distant dream of the NRHM 2012. Emerging research issue: the NRHM is a big structure comprising of many elements to improve health delivery. Indian public health standard take care of the infrastructure, and ASHA are the integral part of the program. The process like following of the government protocol and medical decision making helps in improving the quality. The improvement of the maternal health could be achieved through Janani Suraksha Yojana JSY, as it take care of a medical and public health component simultaneously as for the provision of the scheme. Now from this JSY is going on, but still there is some sort of lacuna for the practical implementation under the umbrella of the NRHM. The research objective: to monitor and evaluate the maternal health program in central region districts of Odisha by using medical and non-medical parameters. This involved, in my study, assessment of health center PSC in terms of their infrastructure availability to construct the Indian Public Health Standard IPHS. Assessment of beneficiary perspective of ongoing Janani Suraksha Yojana program in terms of his ability to fulfillment their felt needs for participation, cultural and autonomy and empowerment. Assessment of the influence of the antenatal checkup on health outcome, especially on institutional delivery and health seeking behavior. So many people are also still in the I think confusion of they have a confidence that home delivery is best than institutional delivery in that central region of my state. And what methodology I have done in my study? In order to evaluate the maternal health, I used the descriptive evaluative survey, that is known as the descriptive type of evaluation study, to monitor the maternal health of the program under NRHM in my state. Primary data is collected using quantitative and qualitative method. Focus group discussion and key informant interview technique would be used to collect information on the development of the implementation. The health management infrastructure of the HMS data is analyzed for the comparison of different regions of Odisha in terms of the registered pregnancy, antenatal checkup and institutional delivery. And also the district and sub-district secondary data also analyzed to know the overall situation of the health infrastructure of that central region districts. The modified version of the Indian Public Health Standard 2010 is used to assess the infrastructure in terms of manpower, available drug, administrative support of the primary health center. Finding and discussion: the shortage of building, drugs and consumable, the basic amenity are glaring on the study of the district. The antenatal check of the ANC registration increases, but the early registration is a distant dream in this central region. Further, ANC registration is not commensurable with record of institutional delivery. There is huge reluctance to adhere to the norm of 4 mandatory ANC checkup. The people used to 2 or 3 times is also there, not the 4 minimum the 4 ANC checkup, not is there in this central region. Present status of the reproductive child health indicator MMR, IMR and TFR. It is the Odisha, that is the northern, central and the southern, and I am focusing about the central, and it is about 0.65 in comparison to northern it is 0.57 and the southern part is 0.91. It is the maternal mortality MMR 2011-2012 in Odisha, southern Odisha, central and northern. ANC status in this region, ANC registration increases, but early registration is a distant thing that I have already told. Then the recommendation with the conclusion. Poor transfer facility is the major barrier for women beneficiary to avail the institutional care. It is evident from the low turnout of OPD and IPD service, non-compliant with Indian public health standards. Need serious attention to ensure safe delivery. Women fall out from the regular ANC visit due to the several reasons. The study recommends for continuous tracking and follow-up ANC at the individual level. Additional effort is required for capacity building front line workers. That is the ASA. The ASA is the main worker who is working about the maternal health status in my state. In my state also, in India also. To track ANC progress by use of the health management system, this will make home visit regular, effective, meaningful, particularly in remote and tribal communities. There is a need of a flexible of cash transfer scheme, particularly for tribes, understanding their difficulty in maintaining all record and document. Innovation might be sought to empower tribal community to identify important parameter of maternal morbidity, preventive measure, and danger sign repellent, social determinant of health in tribal area, especially improvement of living condition, women, leadership, education, money, and other resources should be equitable and distributed. It is all about my recommendation and the conclusion of my study. And one thing that I have observed in my study, for example, some blind beliefs such as eggs should not be eaten by pregnant women because the head of the child is born without hair. If you eat the egg, the child will born without hair. It is the wrong notion. And pepper is prohibited because babies are born with sores all over the body. After birth, all over the body there is sore if you take the pepper. Sugar cane should not be eaten because it causes the body born the grey skin. It has the wrong notion that I found in my field study. And it is all my references. And thank you for your listening. And last, in the Women's Congress, I want to give a message. Jatra narjistu purjante tatra ramanti devataha, means we have to respect the woman and particularly mother of our society. They are very valuable for our society.